Hi, I'm Chef Sally, pastry chef for the National Mango Board, and I'll be showing you how to make an ooey gooey mango monkey bread. This monkey bread has soft dough pieces that have been tossed together with some fresh mango pieces, spices, and baked with a sticky homemade caramel sauce. So to begin with our monkey bread, we're going to be making our caramel first. It couldn't be simpler with 2 ingredients, butter and brown sugar. We're gonna bring that to a boil and then disperse it into our molds. So our caramel is ready, and we know it's ready once it's boiling and bubbling and the mixture is homogeneous. Once this is poured into my molds, I'm going to let this cool to room temperature, and while I'm doing that, I'm going to make my monkey mix. Some brown sugar with some ground cinnamon and also some ground ginger and a little bit of salt also. So that's going to be my dry mixture that I'm going to rub with the cut up pieces of dough. Here is my monkey bread dough that I've made ahead of time, and it's essentially a milk bread that I've added fresh mango puree to. And now I'm going to cut it using a pizza wheel into some small pieces and mix it into my monkey mix. You definitely want to cut this quickly while it's cold. I'm going to use my fingers to just split up the dough with the dry ingredients. Now that we've got the spice mixture rubbed around all of the pieces of our monkey dough, I'm going to add in my mango pieces and mix them in a little bit to make them a little gooey. Get your kids involved, or people who act like kids. It's a nice sensory, look at all that gooey they can put their fingers in. Now we're gonna disperse this into our mold. Monkey bread traditionally doesn't have fresh fruit in it, but mangoes are so versatile that it's a great addition to this wonderful classic. So I'm gonna let this monkey mix proof at room temperature for about 1.5 to 2 hours until it's nearly almost doubled in size. And I'm gonna cover it while I do that. So these have proofed nicely. I'm going to bake them in the oven until they're nice and brown and crispy on top. Ooh, they smell so amazing. Now I'm going to unmold them while they are still warm. Place a piece of parchment on top of the baked monkey bread and then invert another sheet pan on top and then flip the whole thing over to unmold it. I can see all the caramel goodness coming out. Using the silicone mold, I feel helps them come out a little bit easier. These smell so amazing, so I'm just gonna have to help myself and try one while it's still piping hot. Got all that caramel stuff. I'm gonna try and scoop some up. Oh, look at that mango baked in there. It's still quite warm, but it's so good. The mango really gives it a really nice pop of fruitiness. The cinnamon is such a nice addition with the ginger. It's very festive, fun to eat. That fresh fruit really, really makes a difference. This is a fun way to get your kids to eat some fruit too. Thanks for tuning in. If you'd like more mango how-to, recipes, and information, visit mango.org to learn more.